I missed Mum's honey pork spare ribs every day. Today I'll be showing you a dish that I had not stopped thinking about ever since Mum became a vegetarian.
Mama食飯，媽咪爹哋食飯，ba mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Walking Kin I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. Today's dish isn't something Mum can make for me anymore, so it's my mission to preserve this recipe. To start, peel the skin off 2 potatoes and 2 carrots. Cut them into 3cm chunks or to preference. Next, divide 1 onion into quarters and finally chop 2 cloves of garlic. Cut 600 grams of pork spare ribs into 2cm segments. A full list of these ingredients can be found at walkingkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. Heat up a pan on high heat. When hot, pour 2 tablespoons of oil in. Turn the heat back down to low and add the onions in and stir for 20 seconds, then throw in the garlic and cook for 15 seconds or until aromatic. Increase the heat to high and add the pork in. Stir everything for 2 minutes, then add the carrots and potatoes. Give it all a toss for 20 seconds. Then season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Toss everything until well combined, then put the lid on and let it come to a boil. As soon as it boils, turn the heat down to medium, put the lid partially on and let everything simmer for 20 minutes or until soft. Make sure to stir it every 10 minutes so the bottom doesn't burn. This recipe is definitely a keeper because it makes you feel at home at the very first bite. And there you have it, Mum's honey pork spare ribs, a dish I can finally taste on my own. For the most satisfying experience, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1. Cut the vegetables into larger chunks. This will help them hold their shape as they cook. Number 2. Leave meat on both sides of the bone. When you cut the pork, leave about 5mm on either side of each rib so there's meat to hold the bone in place. Number 3. Season with honey last. This will keep the flavour potent and on the surface of each meat piece. Making Mum's honey pork spare ribs myself takes me back to the times when I'd be spoilt with her cooking. Cooking that was simple, comforting and full of love. To get more everyday comfort food, like and subscribe to our channel. If you enjoy these simple recipes, I've created a playlist of weeknight dishes for you. See you in the next video.